Later on, we'll test how it flies. I would presume that it would have stability because this is a GPS drone. So right now we are here. We'll fly this GPS drone 167. GPS drone is always a good thing because it surely will have stability. It will be steady in the air, and you'll not have a problem when it comes to position hold. It will hold its position all the time. So this is the GPS drone. It still has its plastic cover because the owner said that it's good to keep it warm. Whether it's funny or not, well, probably it's a good thing. It will protect the body. Look at the features. It looks handsome. It looks beautiful. And if you look at the body, it has everything you want for a drone. It has a camera, although it hasn't been tested yet. And this is the remote controller. Now let me see. So it has a lot of buttons, on and off button, the headless mode button, return button, and it has a GPS button, landing and takeoff button, and also it has the geomagnetic button and the gyro button. And here it has the photo video button, and on this side you'll see the speed button. So there's a lot of buttons to speak of. So we'll try now to test flight this drone and see how it performs. One thing we'll do is we'll see the feature return to home, how accurate it is. We'll find out. Now we'll turn on the drone power. It's turned on now. Yeah, it's the LEDs are blinking. There you go, blue and red. Okay, is it turned on? Then you turn it on. So you'll set it. Now we'll first turn on the remote controller. So we're turning on the remote controller and also the smartphone. There you go. So Wi-Fi, now it's there. It's now selected as the Wi-Fi. Now it's on Wi-Fi. Then we'll go to the app of CSJ 167S. There you are. So that's the UI, or the user interface of the app. Do you need calibration, or is it okay now?
It's okay.
Yeah, so you don't have to. So because you've calibrated it, it will ask you actually if it's not calibrated, if if it is in need of calibration, then it will show in the app. It will ask to be calibrated, but since it doesn't say anything here, it looks like, it seems that there's no need. So it's just a matter of flying it now, so it's easier. There it is. That's GPS at work. So it's flying. It's steady. It's not swaying or anything. It's not trembling. It is really, really steady. So now we'll try to fly it a little bit farther and see how it performs. We'll test the return to home feature. So you can actually have it a little bit higher. There. It's up there. Now. I don't know, I don't see it here, but yeah, it's there. It's like a dot in the sky. So we'll have it a little bit farther forward, and then we'll try return to home. There you go. So return to home. There it is. It's circled, and now it's gonna land. It's gonna land.